Do you feel like you need to ground and balance yourself physically or emotionally? Meditate with Fancy Jasper. It is known as a tranquility stone, and its quiet, relaxing colors of green, cream, mauve, and lilac will give you a powerful, soothing energy that will help calm your heart and mind. For jewelry, Fancy Jasper will also inspire you to focus on the here and now instead of constantly worrying about the future or being haunted by the past. It has the ability to make you focus and increase your concentration when there are so many things going on in your life. So place this in a spot of your home where you feel like you need more focus. You can also place it in a spot where you feel like the energy could use more relaxation or serene vibes. To cleanse, you can put this one in water since it has a Mohs hardness of a 6.5 to 7. You can use lukewarm water with mild soap if it's like dirty or something, or if you're just energy cleansing it, place it in running water, and then you can use a preferred method of smoke cleansing, moon, soil, or sound cleansing as well.